Hello everyone and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house here in Ghana. If it is your first time seeing this project, this is a 2 bedroom, 6 unit apartment that we are putting up for a client here in Prampram, opposite the Porter City, right? So in our previous episode, we look at the digging of the trenches, right? And also some of the challenges that we faced and how we went around it. We shared a lot of ideas and tips in that episode. So if you are interested to know how we got here, please go to my playlist. It's called Lynect Homes. You will see that update of this particular project, right? So today we continue with the foundation footings and also the pillar installation for the foundation. Later on, you'll be seeing the foundation block walls and get it to the filling part of this particular project, right? So stay tuned for that, right? Another thing that we also watch in our previous episode is like making good use of the space whilst you are building, your house. You can do a lot on a one plot, right? You can do, but the thing is that you need people that have the foresight, right? Or people that have the idea to come on board together and plan, right? Plan together and then execute, your project, right? So these are things that, normally we don't really pay attention to those things, we just go straight ahead building. But, during the process, when some of these challenges comes, it's difficult to go around it, which sometimes brings confusion between client and builders or contractors, right? So that episode, please, if you haven't seen it, just take the time to watch the episode 1 of this particular project. So fast forward, you can see that the block work is coming up nicely, and this way we will see the layout of the structure which will come. Some of this foundation blocks will be buried, right? They are not going to continue, right? But we will get it whilst we progress with this particular project. I've also used this opportunity to also address one thing, since in my previous episode we talked about cost estimates, right? So if you approach my team that you want a cost estimate for your project, we do charge a fee for that, right? Because the estimate, we have to do market surveying. Sometimes we have to come to your site and look at the ground. All of these things plays a role, to be able to give you a detailed estimate of your project, right? So this is how we actually work. If you are going to build with us, right? Let's say you have your architectural drawing and you want us to build. Maybe you are 80% sure that you want us to build. Please let us know that you want us to build, and then we will provide a provisional estimate, right? It's not going to be the detailed estimate. It's going to be provisional, just to give you an idea of what you are getting yourself into, right? Maybe some people likes a lot of nice designs, but sometimes they are not aware of the cost that comes with it. So this way we will give you a provisional estimate for you to know, oh, okay, the foundation will cost me like this in total, the ground floor, decking, right? We are not going to break it down for you. So when you accept that, oh, okay, this amount, I can work with this amount, then at every stage, we give you a detailed estimate, right? If you are building with us, we don't normally charge for cost estimates, because you are giving the contract to us. So then we have to provide you how much it's going to cost, which will be at every stage with detailed. But if you are not building with us and you just want, a detailed estimate, then we will ask for a price, right? We will charge you for that, because the estimate we will be providing for you is a detailed estimate. It is a guide, right? It is a guide which will guide you at every stage to build your house, right? So we will charge you if you are not building with us. So please pay attention to this one. If you are getting in touch with us, these are the two, I'll say options that we have. Maybe after giving you the provisional estimate, you it is too much for you, then we can look at the drawing again, right? Because the detailed estimate is not just putting things up, it requires a lot of market surveying. We have to come to your area and use the prices in your area for that quote, right? We don't just sit in the office or at home and just draft something for you. No, we move, we travel, right? Wherever you are, we need to call people, shops in your area, find out how much things are costing there, because price of blocks in Tema may be different from Kumasi, Cape Coast, Eastern region, and all that. So please, these are some of the misunderstanding that sometimes when people ask for cost estimate and then we ask them for a fee, some of them get annoyed or angry, which is understandable. If you are building with us, then we don't have to bill you for the cost estimate, because we have to kind of give you an idea how much it will cost. But if you are not building with us, please, you have to pay, for the cost estimate, right? So please take note of that. Initially we used to do it for free, but then people will come after you do it for them. You don't hear of them anyway. Sometimes even it's a simple thank you, you don't get, and then they go and they use it. But then it got to a time where, it was we were doing only cost estimate. That was a job, and the guys were not getting paid for it. So we decided that we have to charge a fee. This fee you can always negotiate with Pele, right? Pele is our quantity surveyor. You can always negotiate with him. He is your brother, he's not an enemy. So please, when he gives you the fee and it is much, please, it's all about communication, right? It is all about communication. So I just want to, address this, right? So back to today's video, you can see the depth of the foundation, right? So now we have to do the filling. We have to do both in and out, right? Because it is like clay, so we don't have to, do the back filling with clay. So that's why you see that we've left some holes all around the foundation for the filling to be done. So you can see we have our first track here, right? So then that means we are moving to the next phase of this particular project, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.